quickly learn how to put a navigation controller in our project. This is just a standard Objective-C project which I've created for this tutorial. To first do this, I'm going to go to the storyboard. We're going to see that we have a view controller here. And we can see here that this little arrow tells us where the application is going to start. We can see that it's starting by this view controller. So in order to change this, I'm going to grab the navigation controller down here from the side panel. I'm just going to drag it over and drop it in there. Now you'll notice that I've got a navigation controller, but it also put this other view controller in there as well that says root view controller. So a navigation controller by default has a table view controller associated with it. But I don't want that for right now, so I'm actually just going to click on the root view controller and then click delete. Now I have this navigation controller all by itself. I have my other view controller as well. Now I know I want my navigation controller to be my starting point. So I'm going to grab this arrow and drag it over, and you can see that it is now highlighted and on the navigation controller. Now I need to do a control click from this place that says navigation controller over to my other view controller. And when I let go of the control click, it pops up this options. I want to make it the root view controller. Now if I build and run, I've added a navigation controller into my application. We'll be able to see the navigation bar at the top and be able to see that the view controller is functioning as we expect it to. This light gray area at the top is our navigation bar. Now as we go through more tutorials, we'll be able to see what happens as we change this navigation bar and as we add more view controllers in.